Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet these cute coasters. We'll be starting with this white yarn. We'll start by making a magic ring. So how do you make a magic ring? You'll have to hold your yarn like this and then around the two fingers wrap it. Then take this out and then take your hook and grab it into the circle and grab this yarn. Okay, now hold it from here. Make a chain. So here we have a magic ring. Now we'll start first round. Before starting the round, you have to make 2 chains. Then into the ring I am going to make 10 double crochets. So how to make a double crochet? Yarn over, then into the circle insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we'll make second double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this was our second double crochet, and in the same way we'll have to continue making till we make 10 double crochets. So I have made 10 double crochets. Now we'll have to close the ring. You can also count your stitches from the backwards to make sure you've made 10 double crochets. Let's close the ring. Now on the first stitch I'm going to make a slip stitch. So this is the chain 2 that we made. So this is the first double crochet that we made. So I'm going to insert my hook into it, yarn over, pull through it and pull through the loop on a hook. Okay, so this is the first round. Now we'll start second round. So chain 2 and then into all of the stitches we'll have to make an increase, that is 2 double crochet into each of the stitch. So yarn over and into this stitch I'm going to insert my hook and make a double crochet. So this is the first double crochet. I am just going to mark this stitch and again into the same stitch make one more double crochet. Now come to the next stitch, this one, and into this stitch make 2 double crochets. So this is what you'll have to do for this round. Into each of the stitch make 2 double crochets. So at the end of this row you're going to have 20 double crochets in total. I'm left with one last stitch. Into this I'm going to make a double crochet. So after making the double crochets you can count your stitch to make sure there are total 20 stitches. Now this is our first stitch. So into this stitch I am going to make slip stitch. Now we'll start round 3. So make 2 chains. Now what are we going to do is into the next stitch, into this stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet and into this stitch I'm going to make an increase, that is 2 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch and make 1 double crochet. Okay, then mark your stitch. And then into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Now into this stitch make 1 double crochet and into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. So repeat this for this whole round, and in this round you should have total of 30 stitches. So into the first stitch I'll make a slip stitch. Now we'll start fourth round, chain 2, then into this next stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then into this next stitch make 1 more double crochet, and then into this stitch make an increase, that is 2 double crochets. So this is what you'll have to do for this round. Into this stitch 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So I'm done with the fourth round. In this round you are going to have 40 stitches. Now into the first stitch I'll make a slip stitch. Now we'll start fifth round. So make 2 chains. Into this stitch make 1 double crochet, then into this stitch make 1 double crochet, and into this stitch as well you have to make 1 double crochet, and then into this stitch make an increase. Then into this next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch again make 1 double crochet, and then into this stitch make 2 double crochets. So this is what you will have to repeat for this round. Now I'm going to make 3 chains, and then into the same stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and into the same stitch make 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to skip next 2 stitches, so leave this 2 stitch, 1 and 2, and then into the third stitch make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and into the same stitch make 2 more double crochets. Again you'll have to skip 2 stitch, so 1 and 2, and then into this stitch make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. So I have made this all, and now I am going to make a slip stitch. on the top of this chain. Then I'm going to chain 1 and I'll cut the thread. Then using the yarning needle I'm going to hide the loose ends. Now I'm going to use this blue yarn. So first I'll insert my hook into the stitch. Then I'm going to place it like this, leaving this long tail. Yarn over and pull it to this side. Now insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through it and pull through the loop on your hook. So we have made a slip stitch. In the same way we'll have to keep making slip stitches all around. I'm going to turn it to the other side and then I'll cut the thread this long. Now I'll pull the yarn to this side. Then I'm going to insert my hook into the same stitch. I'll place the yarn on the hook and then take it to this side. And then first I'm going to tie a knot. And then I'll make a small bow. And then I'm going to cut the thread. I hope you like this cute coaster tutorial and thank you so much for watching the video.